Okay, guys, okay, year 13, welcome to this video tutorial, okay, for A-level maths prediction for your upcoming paper 1 exam, the pure mathematics part of the exam. Okay, this video was recorded on Friday, the 10th of May, 2024, and this is my best guess prediction topics that may appear and hopefully will appear on this year's exam. Okay, now a little disclaimer, guys, here. Please don't miss here, like, come at me saying, oh, that this didn't come up this year, sir, or this didn't come up and that came up this year. This is my best guess prediction at what I think will come up on the pure maths paper 1 exam. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so these are my hot topics, okay, or the predicted topics for the paper 1 A-level maths pure 1 exam. Okay, the biggest two are calculus. Okay, so differentiation and integration. Within differentiation, guys, yeah, revise your chain rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, the normal rule of differentiation. Yeah, so in the form y equals x to the n. So dy by dx is nx to the n minus 1. Okay, um, revise, yeah, the derivatives of e to the x, your trig functions, okay, as well. Okay, for integration, again, by parts, substitution, okay, or reversing the chain rule, okay, general integration, okay, and remember that when you integrate 1 over x, it goes to natural log x. Okay, so it does not follow that rule of you add 1 to the power and then divide by the new power, because you end up dividing by 0, which is not possible. Okay, but other than the integral of 1 over x, okay, revise the general rule of integration. So the integral of x to the n is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus that constant c. Okay, do not forget, guys, yeah, a big important factor, okay, is don't forget the plus c for your indefinite integrals. Obviously, if it's a definite integral, there's no need here for a plus c. Okay, so there is no need here for like a plus c. Okay, so those two here are the biggest topics here. I'd obviously pay close attention to. Then you've also got your binomial expansion. Okay, remember the idea, okay, that is always in the form 1 plus minus, okay, x, okay, in a bracket, okay, to the power of n, okay, and then use your formula, which is 1 plus nx plus n brackets n minus 1 over 2 factorial times x squared, okay. So remember, yeah, if needs be, obviously factorize out the part that you obviously factorize. Okay, make sure that it's in the form 1 plus or minus something x to the power of n. Okay, and then use your formula, which is in your formula booklets. Okay, vectors. Okay, modeling with modulus graphs. So I think, yeah, again, that is another big and hot topic. Okay, so remember, obviously, yeah, for your modulus graphs, guys, remember, yeah, that it is essentially a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, so modulus just means that I'm taking the positive part, so the positive amount of that function. Okay, laws of logarithms. Okay, coordinate geometry. Okay, so revise, yeah, equations of straight lines, gradients, equations of circles in the form x minus a all squared plus 1 minus b all squared is equal to r squared, where the center is at the point AB and the radius is equal to r. Okay, modeling, yeah, with differentiation and integration, yeah. So again, another, I think, yeah, big topic case. So yeah, some like worded questions, yeah. So modeling just means looking at some worded questions that involve integration and differentiation. Okay, laws of indices here again from GCSE obviously maths. Okay, the factor theorem here and the main theorem here. So again, another important topic. Okay, looking at those cubic functions, okay, or those polynomials. Okay, remember that x minus a is a factor of f of a, provided that f of a is equal to 0. Okay, so that is key to remember. Okay, so x minus a is a factor of the function, provided that, okay, so the key to remember here, provided that f of a equals 0. Okay, that's the key to remember. Okay, with that. Okay, so now we've got partial fractions. Okay, yeah, so obviously partial fractions. So yeah, you're splitting up the fraction. Okay, looking at, yeah, different types of sequences. Okay, So looking at, yeah, your geometric sequence, geometric series, okay, arithmetic series, yeah, or arithmetic progression. Okay, and then lastly, I'd say, yeah, trig or trig identities. So remember, go over the sine, the cosine rule, okay, for non-right triangles, again, from GCSE maths. Okay, your trig identities. Okay, remember the most important two, that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta, and also sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, or equivalent to 1. Okay, so these are my personal predictions, okay, for the topics that will appear on this year's exam. Okay, now, do I have any other bits of advice? Well, yes. At this stage, okay, the best practice for A level maths is just past papers after past papers after past papers. Okay, if you finish your own exam board's papers, try the other exam boards. So if you're doing anything else here, try obviously AQA, okay, try the OCR and the OCR MEI, okay, and vice versa. Okay, and just keep doing practice questions. Okay, obviously go over your notes, obviously from year 12. Okay, so look over your notes here from September 2022 when you first started A level maths or the AS part of maths. Okay, and go over all your notes, do practice questions from booklets, look online, okay, watch some of my older videos, okay, looking at some A level maths, okay, but I'll try my best to try and do some lives to prep you for your paper one exam, okay, soon. I'll let you know, okay, in the community posts. Okay, but if yeah, sorry, I'm talking obviously a bit fast, guys. Yeah, if you have any topic requests, okay, for A level maths, okay, let me know. Yeah, at the bottom of this video in the comment section or in the live chat. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Okay, best of luck, guys. Yeah, I hope you smash it. Okay, check out the content on my page here in my playlist. Okay, I've covered quite a lot of here of this issue, like yeah, of all these topics. Okay, not all of them. Okay, but I've covered, yeah, a big chunk of calculus. Okay, I've covered this as well. I think a bit of this. Definitely, I've covered this on my channel and this. Okay, a bit of everything. Yeah, I've definitely done that actually, and done some of these, and also done a bit of that. Okay, and loads of indices. Okay, so again, check out the videos. Okay, on my channel and in my playlist for A level maths. Okay, well, that's it for me today, guys. Best of luck, best wishes. I hope you smash your exams, and thank you for all the support on my page. Okay, and I really actually appreciate, okay, all the support, guys. Okay, best of luck, all the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now. Take care, all the best. Okay, speak soon. Bye for now.